Nature, the original trendsetter. Always innovating and trying out new things. Self-expression is a part of evolution, right down to the way genes express themselves. Inspired by nature's creativity, biotechnology adapts these innovations, developing unique solutions to the biggest problems we face as a planet. Doing more with less to secure a sustainable future for the generations to come. At K18, we believe in using biotechnology and synthetic biology to unlock the potential of nature, supporting our body's own structures to create extraordinary possibilities. Because self-expression